have one question from
Yeah.
Mike George.
Yeah, please.
He really liked your emphasis on the importance of market research, and he is wondering what are current strategies for doing market research online?
Sure. Well, thankfully, the internet and technology in that way has made things so much easier. You can get so much information just from really just sitting at home. I always am looking at census data. There's whether you can get it directly from census site on the government website, or there's lots of sites like datausa.io, trying to remember my own link, that takes the census information and puts it together in a easier to read format. So always going for census information. Pew Research Foundation is another one I'm always using, that it gives a lot of great research on big social trends. So if you use Pew Research to look at the big picture, you can combine that with surveys and customer interviews to then get to know people on the one-on-one basis or wherever you're at, and kind of compare and contrast. You might be able to get good Zoom meeting information and talking to people, but you always want to fact check that, make sure your little interviews not giving you skewed or biased information, if that makes sense. So census data, Pew Research online, surveys, one-on-one interviews, as well as there's all kinds of great business information. You can get a lot of insider information on your competition just from looking up business reviews, a lot of statistics, as well as just coming through their own websites. I mean, everyone to reach people, you have to put everything about you online, which that's great when you're researching your competition, they put it out there for you. So you can comb through their social media, their websites, look at how they write about their products, how they talk about it, read reviews about it. And, COVID pertaining, a lot of places you can just walk in. So other stores or venues or restaurants, or you can just walk in. They don't know you're another business owner. You just get the firsthand experience right there. So there's a lot you can do. Hopefully that helped answer that. I know that was a lot. Yeah. Any other questions on that, or anything else?
Any more questions of Brian? Thank you, Brian.
Yeah, of course. So thank you guys.